This lesson is on ratios. The objective is students will be able to understand the concept of what a ratio is and how to use ratio language. What is a ratio? A ratio is a relationship between two or more quantities. How do you write a ratio? Ways to write it are in sentence form, which is for every 2 boys in class, there are 3 girls. You can also rewrite this as 2:3, 2:3, or 2/3 in fraction form. Remember to use per or for each or every in your sentences. In this ratio example, the ratio is 1:1 because there is 1 square for every diamond. What is the new ratio? We see that there are now 2 squares and 1 diamond. What do you think the answer is? If you wrote the new ratio is 2:1, then you are correct.
Now for an example. On the left, we see 4 balloons. On the right, there are 6 pumpkins. Find the ratio of balloons to pumpkins in fraction form. If you wrote 4/6, you got the correct answer. Time to work. In a recipe to make chocolate chip cookies, you need 6 chocolate chips per cookie. If you want to make 24 cookies, how many chocolate chips will you need? Find and write the ratio in sentence, colon, and fraction form in your notebooks. Simplifying ratios. If you have a ratio of 6 to 15, you can simplify this by finding the greatest common factor. Reminder, the greatest common factor, or GCF, is the greatest factor that divides 2 numbers. Example, 6 to 15, written in fraction form, is 6/15. The GCF for both 6 and 15 is 3. The simplified ratio is now 2 to 5, or 2/5. Review. Make sure to write down what a ratio is, ways to write a ratio, and simplifying a ratio in your notebook. Thanks for watching, and make sure to write down all the examples, answers, and bring any questions you have to class tomorrow.